you need to install third-party antivirus for Windows 10? Whether or not you need to install a third-party antivirus for Windows 10 depends on a few factors, including * your security needs, * your budget, * your comfort level with technology. If you're concerned about the security of their computer, then they may want to consider installing a third-party antivirus program. There are many different antivirus programs available, and they offer a variety of features and levels of protection. Some antivirus programs are free, while others are paid. The user should choose an antivirus program that meets their specific needs and budget. If you're not comfortable with technology, or if they do not have a lot of time to spend managing their antivirus program, then they may want to consider using the built-in antivirus program that comes with Windows 10. The built-in antivirus program is called Windows Defender, and it offers a basic level of protection against malware. However, it is not as comprehensive as some of the third-party antivirus programs available. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to install a third-party antivirus for Windows 10 is up to the individual user. How does an antivirus work on Windows 10? Antivirus programs work by scanning your computer for malware. Malware is any type of malicious software that can harm your computer, including viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and ransomware. Antivirus programs use a variety of methods to scan your computer for malware, including * signature scanning. * signature scanning looks for known malware by comparing it to a database of known malware signatures. * heuristic scanning. * heuristic scanning looks for suspicious behavior, such as programs that try to access sensitive files or that try to make changes to your computer settings. * cloud scanning. * cloud scanning uses a network of computers to scan files for malware. This can be helpful if you have a large number of files to scan. Once an antivirus program finds malware, it will remove it from your computer. It may also quarantine the malware so that it cannot infect other files on your computer. It is important to keep your antivirus program up to date. New malware is constantly being created, so antivirus programs need to be updated to protect against the latest threats. You can usually update your antivirus program automatically, or you can do it manually. It is also important to use other security measures, such as a firewall and a password manager. These measures can help to protect your computer from other types of attacks, such as phishing scams and identity theft. 2. Main issues when using third-party antivirus for Windows 10. There are a few main issues when using third-party antivirus for Windows 10. These include * conflict with other software. * Some antivirus programs can conflict with other software on your computer, causing problems such as crashes or slow performance. * false positives. * antivirus programs sometimes generate false positives, which are alerts that a file is malware when it is actually not. This can be annoying and time-consuming to deal with. * resource usage. * antivirus programs can use up a lot of resources on your computer, which can slow down your computer and make it difficult to use other programs. * privacy concerns. * some antivirus programs collect data about you and your computer, which can be a privacy concern. It is important to choose an antivirus program that is compatible with your computer and that will not conflict with other software. You should also make sure that the antivirus program is up to date and that it is using the latest malware signatures. Finally, you should be aware of the potential privacy concerns associated with using antivirus software. Here are some tips on how to choose the right antivirus program for Windows 10. 1. Do your research. There are many different antivirus programs available, so it is important to do your research before you choose one. Read reviews, compare features, and look for programs that are compatible with your computer and that will not conflict with other software. 2. Consider your needs. What features are important to you? Do you need a program that is easy to use? Do you need a program that offers real-time protection? Do you need a program that can scan files before you download them? 3. Think about your budget. Antivirus programs can range in price from free to expensive. Choose a program that fits your budget. 4. Read the fine print. Before you install an antivirus program, read the fine print. Make sure you understand what the program will do and what it will not do. 5. Keep your program up to date. Antivirus programs need to be updated regularly to protect against the latest threats. Make sure you update your program regularly.